We got a new project that we're going to be starting, and I wanted to try this right here. It's a rust converter, stops rust on contact. So we're going to try this out. I think it was probably $13 a can or something like that. But anyway, it had some good reviews, so I figured I'd try it out. You might ask what we're going to be using this on. Whatever we're going to be using this on is inside this trailer right here. So I need to pull that trailer up here and get whatever's inside of it out. So while I do this, you go ahead and watch this. All right, YouTube, this is what I've been hiding for about 1.5 years. This is a frame for a 1967 to 72 long bed C-10 pickup, which is our truck that's back here buried in the corner that we're going to have to dig out because we're going to start working on it. But this is the frame, and once we get it dug out, I'll show you why I bought this frame and I'm not using the frame that actually came on it. Again, what we're going to do today is try to get rid of some of this rust, and most of it is just surface rust, and then we're going to hit it with that VHT, and hopefully that will eliminate a lot of the rust. It'll make the frame back black, which it pretty much is, so it should be quick and painless. But before we do that, we have to make it a roller. These tires are flat and dry rotted, and just so happens the same tires that was on my wife's Jeep will fit on here because it's the same 5.5 5x5 bolt pattern. So we need to make it a roller. That way it's easier to get in and out of the trailer and go from there. So I will get these put on, these right here, put on it, and then we'll go from there. All right, YouTube, so the Jeep tires won't fit because of this hub right here, and I probably could just take this off and blah blah blah, but it's not that serious. I'm gonna have to get new rotors anyway. So but anyway, we need to get some of this surface rust off, and what we'll use to do that is these wire brushes here. So you just want to get all the big stuff off as far as surface rust. Then you want to wipe it down. Now you can use a grind. I decided to break out the big gun. All right, YouTube, now that we got most of the big rust off, as you can see down here, the next thing to do is to wipe this thing down with some like acetone. So I will I have some acetone cleaner. So I'll just put this on this microfiber, wipe this whole thing down, and then we'll be ready to shoot some paint on it. And it says that it takes 24 hours for it to cure, but it'll dry in right at 20 minutes. So let me wipe this down. All right, just make sure that you're wearing the proper gear when spraying. Eye protection, mask for ventilation. Make sure you're in a well-ventilated area. As you can see, I started spraying some of the frame. So this is what it actually looks like down here. So that's been sprayed. It's starting to turn black, and it takes 24 hours to cure, but it will dry in 20 minutes. So, and what we'll do is we'll come back with anything that we may have missed later on, probably next weekend, and hit those spots up again, just so we can make sure that this thing is good to go. So this is just part one of a mini series. So until next time, thank you for everybody that recently subscribed to the channel. Thank you for all my old heads, everybody that's been around from the beginning. Hit the bell, hit the like button. Until the next one, peace. It's good to have a winch. And we got 2 batteries here, our winch here. And just like that, she's back in her home till we continue on with the project. And this is how much dirt and grime that we pulled off of that frame before we painted it. So you can see there's still a little left, so. But we're well on our way.